Today we're going to be going over some awesome news for Shiba Inu Coin and much more. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. I'm going to be setting a like goal of 250 likes for this video. If we can hit that, that would be super awesome. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on Public, the social investing app. When you deposit that $1, you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then invest into Shiba Inu Coin after you sell the stock, because Shib is now a confirmed asset on Public, so you can use that with the first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is down about 5 to 6% on the day. Obviously, this comes as crypto is just down in general. Who knows, by the time that we wake up tomorrow, crypto could just be surging and Shiba Inu Coin could be surging. Everything could be just fine and dandy, but we are no future tellers here. We can make price predictions all we want, but the market is going to do what the market is going to do. So Shiba Inu Coin down 6%. Today we're going to be talking about a partnership that Shiba Inu Coin just made, what this means for the coin and what it could mean for the coin going forward. If that sounds good to you, stick around till the end of the video. But before we talk about that partnership and what this means, we gotta go over the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin. I like to do this personally through StockTwits. We're not sponsored by StockTwits. We personally just use StockTwits a lot. So here we are. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is currently the 6th most active stock or cryptocurrency on the platform. Also being the 3rd most active cryptocurrency on the platform, just behind Bitcoin and Request Network. Request Network being up 12% on the day. Obviously, it's one of those things that are actually up while the whole crypto market is down. So of course it's trending and active. While Bitcoin also ahead of us because they're down so much. Usually it's never down, so people don't really talk about it too much. But now Shiba Inu Coin right behind Bitcoin and Request Network. So that's good to see that we're still in that top 3 situation. All right, but now let's go over the partnership that just came through and was announced by actually Newegg. So Newegg actually tweeted and pinned the tweet saying, coming soon to Newegg, ticker symbol Shib. Obviously, this is a great deal for Newegg, considering how many Shib army followers have been just absolutely bombarding every single company they can think of. McDonald's, eBay, Amazon, Apple, anything that you can think of, Shiba Inu Coin has been bombarding them. And now Newegg is one of the early adopters, along with AMC, to actually start accepting Shiba Inu Coin as a form of payment. So it says obviously it's not available right now, it's coming soon, but they have made the tweet official as well as pinned the tweet, so that's really good to see. Obviously, Watcher Guru, a lot of very influential people tuning in, and the Shib army is also tuning in. You guys are strong as heck. Let's get this video to 250 likes since you guys are so strong. But anyways, yeah, this will be at the forefront of Newegg's obviously kind of Twitter profile going forward, considering they pinned the tweet. Now they could have done this because obviously Black Friday is today, and what is the biggest thing in Black Friday? It's going to be tech. So the fact that this PC hardware, gaming, and tech company did this could have been a marketing ploy in order to get the Shib investors obviously hyped up and trying to purchase some PC hardware from them. Either way, they are going to be investing in Shib, so that's all that matters. They should have our support, and this is a very timely, good move for them, good move for Shib, good move for everyone involved. Now, Del Crypto, who is a guy that has been at the forefront of the Shib movement ever since, obviously, we've been starting to go over this in the past like 2 or 3 months. He tweeted something very, very insightful. He said, if Newegg sees a huge boost in sales because of Shib Army, retail giants across the globe will want in on the action. And this is something that I've been talking about, but I haven't really put into words that well. And this really kind of draws the picture of how Shiba Inu Coin is going to be utilized in the future. It is these different companies are just going to start, with smaller companies such as AMC and Newegg. Newegg a bit smaller than AMC, obviously. But once AMC does it, obviously a Newegg does it, a different small business does it. And when bigger businesses see these Q3 and Q4 reports with when their sales are going up, they're going to have no choice but to start accepting Shib because of the overall positive impact it'll have on their business. So Shiba Inu Coin is going to be a global cryptocurrency, global currency in general, very, very soon. And Newegg doing this just adds to my belief in that and adds to a lot of different people's belief in that fact. But yeah, now let's talk about the global crypto market. We can see that the crypto market is sitting at about 2.46 trillion. That's a 7% decrease. We've gone over this in the past couple of videos, so I won't go over too much of the same information. But I mean, if you just take a look at the last 7 days, Bitcoin, Ethereum, down 7%, down 5% in the last 7 days. Ethereum down 10% today. I personally added to my position. Pretty much every altcoin and cryptocurrency in general has been on the way down. Crypto.com down 11%. Shiba Inu Coin outperforming a lot of these top assets today, which obviously we had a bit of news today, so it makes sense. But I expect this to continue into tomorrow after all of this amazing news has just come out. Now, one thing I don't like, obviously bring it up all the time, volume's only at 3.7 billion. I thought this volume would be lower though today, guys. So the fact that we have kind of stayed steady at that $3.7 billion range for the volume is something that I definitely like to see. A 34% decrease over the last day. Going into tomorrow, I expect this volume to be sitting somewhere between 3 and 4 billion. Hopefully it's closer to the high side of 34 billion, however. And if we check holders, obviously we're at that 1 million holder milestone that we are trying to get to so hard, and we got there on Thanksgiving. Real feel good story to say the least. But yeah, now let's get into some technical analysis. So overall, we have been seeing these massive swings in Shiba Inu lately, and that is because the volume kind of has picked up over the last couple of days. Obviously going from oversold RSI going to an overbought RSI multiple times. Obviously we were way overbought when we saw this 3 white soldiers candle pattern, and then we were trending up on the MACD. We were trending down on the MACD for a very long time. Then we got this news today and we got this little bump up, and ever since then we've been trending up on the MACD. Currently we're sitting at about a 47 RSI, which is straight in the middle of oversold and overbought. I expect us to test this resistance here at the 46-47 level tomorrow, so I see a 20 to 25% gain from the 38 level right now. We are currently under the 50-day moving average. I expect us to go above this moving average once again, but overall really love to see this chart. I do think that we are very, very close to the bottom, and that this is a very good buying opportunity in my opinion. But yeah, make sure we hit our like goal today. I have 250 likes. If you made it this far in the video and you have not liked the video, go ahead and like that video, as it really helps us out. Also comment how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, and subscribe, as all those things really help to grow the channel. We're trying to bring you as much value as possible. We think we do a great job at that. If you think that as well, make sure you guys do all those things mentioned before. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. You can literally get yourself some free Shib. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.